Hi and welcome to my channel once again. In today's video I'm going to show you how my directory website is performing on Google by using AI link building tool. So I know you'll be surprised how this website is performing on Google. I don't want to waste much of your time, so I have the Google open. We're just gonna go dive in and look at the rankings and how the website is performing. First of all, I don't buy backlinks and I don't do outreach, because even though outreach is also one of the best ways of building backlinks, but with this AI link building tool, this is how I'm able to outrank big brands, big companies and big names. And I make sure I have my things right. With the help of this AI link building tool, I was able to be number one and on the first page of Google for thousands of keywords, which I'm going to show you to you in a bit. And this website is the website that I'm currently building, and is a directory website based in Germany. So the website is explodingbrands.de. So let me show you how the website looks like. This is the website. Explodingbrands.de is a German website. It's ranking for thousands of German related keywords, but I also have English related keywords that I built in English language. So I'm not going to go into details and translate all these things for you, even though the heading says the richtigen Agenturen or the richtigen Unternehmen und Agenturen finden. That means find the right companies and agencies. So this is the homepage, how the page looks like, with call to action, and these are all categories. So the website is not a niche related website, it's a very broad website. That means, so the keywords that I'm going to show you, I'm not going to show you one niche keyword. I'm going to show you different keywords. And how I'm able to achieve this is very simple. I did the SEO right, and I also have these backlinks. Within 24 hours, was able to generate about 1.7 million backlinks, and the AI went to the internet to put in, this is the link insertion strategy. The AI was in the internet busy working for this website and was able to insert thousands of backlinks, and within some short time the website started ranking number one and on the first page of Google. So this is the website explodingbrands.de. So I have a lot of digital marketing SEO related keywords for most of the big cities in Berlin and in Hamburg, in Frankfurt, in Germany, and most of the big cities. So for now, let's take a look at let's just pick a keyword. Okay, so let's take Berlin. Let's take Berlin for example and search for something like top SEO experts in Berlin. Okay, we are ranking 1, 2, 3, 4. We are on the first page. So let's say best SEO freelancers in Berlin. We are ranking number 1. So these are some of the rankings of the website with the help of the AI tool. So the last time I made a video, I got some comments, people saying that it's not so easy to use the AI link building tool to rank on Google. So I'm here to show to you that it's working, and I'm only base my video or my experience based on what is working. So I'm only showing you what is working. So let's look. Let's take Germany for example. Best SEO freelancers in Germany. So here you can see explodingbrands.de is ranking number on the first page. So let's take one big city like Hamburg, best SEO freelancers in Hamburg. We are still on the first page. Now let's take some big city like Frankfurt. We can also change this to top SEO freelancers in Frankfurt. You can see we are also ranking on the first page. Okay, so let's use a different keyword. We are not going to use freelancers, so let's use top SEO experts in Germany. This is some of the big keywords that some companies want to rank for. Marketing companies, SEO companies, they all want to rank for some of these keywords. So let's take a look. We are still on the first page for top SEO expert in Germany. This is a country target keyword. So now let's select Berlin, the capital city. We are still ranking on the first page. So now let's see top SEO expert in Hamburg. We are ranking on the first page. So let's take Bamberg. We are ranking on the first page. Now we can search for Nuremberg. We are ranking after the snippet, number 1. So now let's change the keyword. Let's use different keyword. Let's go for one of the big keyword that I know every SEO agency is also looking for. So best SEO agencies in Germany. Okay, now let's take a look. You can see we are on the first page for best SEO agencies in Germany. And now let's see Hamburg. We are still on the first page for best SEO agencies in Hamburg. Now let's see, let's change keyword. Let's go into the link building. Top link building agencies in Germany. Let's see. We are not on the first page for this, but we are almost on the first page. Now let's select Berlin. We are on the first page. Now let's select top link building agencies in Hamburg. We are on the first page. So I can go on and on and on to show you. Now let's change keyword. Let's use buy backlinks in Germany, and let's see something. We are on the first page still for buy backlinks in Germany. So this is the ranking. I'm not buying backlinks. I don't buy backlinks. And the big companies that are spending thousands of dollars and euros buying backlinks, they are not on the first page for all of these keywords that I'm searching. So now let's select buy backlinks in Berlin. You can see exploding brands. We are on the first page. Now let's see in Hamburg. Buy backlinks in Hamburg. We are still on the first page. Now let's select one big city like Frankfurt. Buy backlinks in Frankfurt. We are on the first page. Okay, now let's change keyword. Let's use something like in the software and application. So best mobile app development agencies in Germany. It's a long tail keyword, but let's take a look. We are on the first page for best mobile app development agencies in Germany. My website is still on the first page. Now let's use something like Berlin. Here you can see exploding brands. So I'm not targeting one niche. And also the domain is not a keyword domain that we can say is a keyword domain. No, it's not a keyword domain. So now let's check best mobile app development agencies in Hamburg. We are still ranking on the first page. You can see that. Now let's change it to Frankfurt. I'm using the big series. The small series, we are already ranking number 1. I don't have to even check it. Let me check one series like Bamberg. You can see we are having 1, 2 top spots, and even this top app development companies.com. This is a rich keyword domain, but they are not ranking. So, and the Yelp, you can see Yelp down here, best software development near Bamberg. Okay, so let's use best SEO companies in Bamberg. We are ranking number 1. All right, so I'm trying to think of keywords, some of the websites, some of the pages that I built. Let's see, top SEO consultant in Berlin. We are still on the first page. So this is how the ranking of explodingbrands.de is blowing. It keeps blowing people's mind to see the ranking. It's just flying. And the secret is, do your SEO right and get this backlink tool. That is all. That is the secret. And I'll be posting another video how I'm able to rank for all these thousands of keywords on the first page using SEO and link building. I did not show or share the strategies that I'm using when it comes to off-page optimization, on-page optimization, but I'm just sharing with you to know that one of the key playing factors in this ranking is the link building tool, which I'm going to show you in a AI link building tool. That is one of the secrets behind this mind-blowing rankings on Google. It's been a while that I'm ranking for all these keywords, and it's still increasing and going up. So I'm going to show you this link building tool. So what's happening is that when you see the dashboard, when I click start, it will start running. When I go to the discovery is where you are going to give all the keywords that we need. We can put up to 2,000 keywords. Once we put up to 2,000 keywords and click on start, I'm not going to show you how I generated all these keywords with ChatGPT or DeepSeek. It's easy to do that. I have a video about that. You can check that. So once I paste the list of my keywords and click on start, the system is going to start discovering most of the related domains that are connected to these keywords. So after finding this, I will go to data and click on import from discovery. What's going to happen is that all the URLs, all the domains that has been discovered from this discovery is going to be pasted here. So all I have to do is just leave the tool to be running. So what I did is I created a campaign and left the tool for about 24 hours. So after 24 hours, this is the result. Target URLs. I have 1.7 million URLs. Okay, so this 1.7 million URLs is I ran all these URLs on explodingbrands.de, and the rankings start blowing up. So that is what happened. Okay, so the settings, we don't need to do anything, and the data here, the website, you can see explodingbrands.de. Here we put our website, we create some emails, and the names, this is gonna be anchor text if we want, or we can also use a branded anchor text or keywords. So the keywords are going to be the anchor text, and the message, we have about 4 messages that we are going to use for our link insertion. So what's happening is, if I go to dashboard, okay, this is running in the background, which I did not click on it. Okay, if I go to dashboard and click on start, it's going to start running to insert backlinks in 1.7 million URLs. So after inserting backlinks in 1.7 million URLs, what's going to happen is that if we have 10 to 20% success approval, that means we are going to get thousands of backlinks that is going to explodingbrands.de. So that is the secret. This is running in the background. I'll click on start and see how fast this tool is, and it's going to start building the backlinks. Okay, so now it's running. It can run about 1,000 to 2,000 backlinks in 1 minute. The success means the link has already been inserted. Best Amazon SEO agencies in Germany. Okay, you can see we are ranking number 1. Now let's see top Shopify SEO companies in Germany. Okay, you can see we are still ranking number 1 for top Shopify SEO agencies in Germany. Now let's see best SEO agencies for lawyers in Germany. top lawyers SEO companies 2025. You can see that even the page is not mentioning Germany, but it's still ranking number 1. Now let's see best SEO agencies for WordPress in Germany. We are ranking on the first page. Now let's see top Shopify SEO services in Germany. We are still ranking on the first page. Now let me use web design. Best Shopify web designers in Germany. So let's see what's gonna come up. We are still ranking on the first page. Best WordPress web designers in Germany. We are still ranking on the first page. Even Design Rush are targeting the same keyword. Top WordPress web design companies in Germany. So let's copy this keyword that Design Rush are targeting. Let's search for it. We are still ranking on the first page, and the manifest are also targeting the same keyword. Good Firms, Digital Agency Network, they are all targeting the same keyword. Best Squarespace web design agencies in Germany. Oh, you can see here we have rich snippet. explodingbrands.de. We are ranking on the first page with snippet. Best Squarespace web design agencies in Germany. So now let's make it best Joomla web design agencies in Germany. We are number 2, ranking on the first page. Now WordPress web design agencies in Germany. We are ranking on the first page. Now we have Shopify, WordPress, Joomla, Squarespace. Okay, so this is how the ranking is moving. But then I'm sure you may be wondering, if you have e-commerce or you have different services and you want to rank like how I'm ranking right now, the ranking that I'm showing to you, if you want to rank locally, if you live in the USA, Canada, Australia, subscribe to my channel. I'll be posting more updates on my rankings. And if you want me to help you with your SEO, very easy, you can send a message on Exploding Brands and I will get in touch with you. So thank you for watching and have a great day. Bye bye for now.